immediate post-test after 4 weeks post-test.
Yes po.
And then you have the concept of active recall, spaced repetition, engagement and regulation, and then that enhance knowledge retention. My question, ito bang active recall, space retention, engagement and regulation, self-regulation and enhance knowledge retention is investigated in the study?
This concept will
Is it investigated in the study?
Yes.
So you have a measure of active recall?
That will be the exams po.
Do you have a measure for active recall? Do you have a measurement for active recall? Will you get a measurement? Will you have a score for active recall? Will you have a score for spaced repetition? Will you have a score for engagement and self-regulation? Pag meron, sige. Ngayon, pag sinabi niyo meron, look at your research question. Nasaan dun yan? Meron ba doon?
Yung sinasabi niyo pong scores, it's not, wala po kaming nilagay dyan, but we will
No, ang
incorporate.
question ko lang.
Hindi po
Nandyan
siya
ba
kasama.
yan? Pag nandyan,
Wala po.
oh, di ba
siya.
lang,
Hindi po siya
tanggalin nyo
kasama.
yan.
Okay po.
Because your conceptual framework should only include those concepts that you have in your research question or in essence in your study. Wala naman kayong active recall unless you are measuring it essentially, then place it there. Okay? So ito yung pretest, nandiyan naman kayo. Meron naman kayo talagang baseline knowledge na dinedetermine. Nag-intervention kayo using digital flashcard. Then you did immediate post-test knowledge score determination. So okay ako dyan. Pero itong mga to, alam mo, wala yan. Tapos nilalagay nyo dyan as a conceptual framework. And therefore, I am looking at your research questions. Wala namang alignment yung conceptual framework with the research question.
Okay po.
Okay?
Yes po.
Ngayon, because I am concerned with the design, so you're saying it's a true experimental study, okay? Where you have a pre-test, post-test, and after 4 weeks post-test design.
Yes po.
Meron ba kayong means to control some of the extraneous variables that you would be encountering, considering na you have experimental and control? At ang sinasabi ninyo, 100 something,
140.
142, and then you have an adjusted sample so that you have
Adjusted na po yung 140.
so ano yun, 100
Yes po. Yung 142 po, adjusted na po yun with the 10% addition.
so nagiging 100 ano na siya
142 po, yun na po yun. 128 po yung simula. Yung
originally
using the
from
G
G power 121
Yes.
naging 140 so that means 140 and you have experimental and control
Then 71.
71.
Yes po.
So yung magpa-participate ng first year, ang total sample ng first year, total number of first year students.
Is 450 students.
And then how would you randomly select, because you're using true experimental, between groups pre-test, post-test. So yung it's a 70 so that you have 140 from the total sample, from the total population of first year. Paano nyo sila, how will you randomly select them so that they have equal chance of being part of the experimental and the control?
Ano po, it is stated there po that it will be, we will use a computer-generated device po that will randomly choose po the names of students po that
Okay.
will go to the experimental and control group po.
Sige. So, that means you will use a generator.
Yes po.
Okay? Ngayon, because it's a true experiment, there are extraneous variables that you really need to control. Ang issue ko talaga dito ngayon is yung inyong flashcard, gagawa kayo ng flashcard using Brainscape, correct?
Yes po.
Digital flashcard deck
Yes po.
where you have a 47 item digital flashcard. You will do a flashcard measuring cardiopharmacology knowledge, 30 items. So, kayo ang gagawa nun?
Yes po.
Okay. Tapos, saan nyo i-administer itong flashcard na to? In the class?
Yes po, in the class po after the lectures.
So,
And then-
after the lecture ng cardiopharmacology, part siya ng activity.
Yes. And then yung sa 4 weeks wash face po na they will constantly use the
Yes,
digital
yes.
flashcards po.
And then you said there's a pre-test,
Immediate post.
there's immediate, and there's a
Delayed
For
delayed post test.
4 weeks.
Yes po.
Ngayon, eventually you look at the difference para masabi ninyo na the Brainscape digital flashcard have improved whatever knowledge you are measuring, essentially cardiopharmacology knowledge.
Yes po.
Ang iniisip kong mga possible extraneous variable would be if it is the room where you are to conduct the study, will you be able to control noise of the room? Would you be placing them in a different room, itong control at saka experimental? And that's why doon sa protocol nyo dapat maliwanag yun.
Okay po.
Lagyan nyo yun ng detalye doon sa data gathering procedure. Where are you going to house the experimental group and the control group? Kasi kung 71 yan, saan nyo siya ilalagay? At ano ba, they will be using their own gadget? Will
Yes
they
po.
use a computer? Will they be allowed to use their laptops or their iPads?
Okay po.
And, connectivity issue is an extraneous variable that you need to control, lalo na dito sa NU.
Yung sa Brainscape, the app po kasi, it allows us, the researchers, yung magiging situation po nun, kami po yung teachers na makakapag-monitor po ng flashcards. Nakikita po namin doon kung kailan po inopen ng students. And then yung Brainscape po, it's not just an app, it's also a website po. So, if you have issues on your device, like you're already full storage, you can use the website naman po. That's available on your phones, tablets, and even laptops. For connectivity issues po, we will do help for students like yung what's the name? Parang magbibigay po kami ng guide on how they can use the Brainscape offline po. They can use it offline din po.
So, yan yung mga extraneous variable.
Okay po.
I would rather go for an offline na wala kang issue on connectivity.
Okay po.
Download it.
That means everybody has a copy already of the
Flashcards,
Brainscape
yes po.
initially before the experiment, so that everybody is on the
Same track.
same playing field. Kasi importante yun na pare-pareho kayo, sabay-sabay kayong mag-access. Eh kung nauna ako, because I have a very good connectivity, because I'm using my own data,
Okay.
o yung siya, wala siya. Or in case yung kanyang gadget is...
Low band.
Hindi, ako naman, syempre minsan
Slow.
slow.
Yes.
Yun, yung mga yun, dapat part ng protocol niyo na may requirement kayo on specification ng what gadget will be used. Ayan, o kung meron kayong specification, baka naman yung mga makukuha yung participant walang capability on the specs.
Yes.
Okay.
Paano nyo yun? Ko-control nyo yan.
Control nyo yun. Kung phone, may difference yun ha?
Okay po.
Kaya ako, baka better na hindi individual.
Yes.
Na individual
Gadget.
usage of their own gadget. Probably you can set it up in
Yan sir.
LRC, for example, para control yung environment.
Okay po.
Pag-isipan nyo yun, lalo na sa protocol. In other words, yung protocol talaga has to be very stringent considering that you're proposing a true experiment.
True ha?
True ha? Pag true yan, talagang
Tatlo.
you simulate the real
Okay.
experiment using yung digital flashcard. Ako, ang issue ko pa dito, pre-test,
Post-test.
post-test na
4
immediate,
weeks.
tapos
4
after
weeks.
4 weeks.
Wala nang
So,
mangyayari.
ang sinasabi, pwede kayong, tama naman na na-mention yung knowledge decay. Pero ako, how do you address, like halimbawa, participant ako ng nasa experimental ako. Eh after 4 weeks, nagkasakit
Wala na.
ako.
Patay, drop out yun. Diba?
Opo. Kaya po dun sa sample size, nagkaroon po tayo ng attrition rate para po ma-account yung mga students na possible mag-drop out po in the middle of the study.
Oh, pero how will you do that?
Yeah.
How would you account?
Control.
How would you account
For attrition.
for that attrition? Or how would you ensure that
Meron kang
Meron kayong-
mahuhugutan.
meron kayo, ano ba, yung nangyari na lang, hindi 10 yung mawawala.
Tatlo.
May duty pa lang lahat.
Yes.
Yung mga
Mga ganon.
ganon
Ha?
issues that has to be really, ako, baka nga hindi true experiment na lang. Baka masyadong you are
Ambitious.
too ambitious
Kasi pag true na po.
on doing the natural setting.
Okay.
Baka too ambitious to do the natural setting. And hindi naman natin sinasabi na we will generalize the findings. It might be true only for any. Kasi baka it's ambitious that you wanted to generalize it to all nursing students in the Philippines. Pero, di ba? But ako, it can be for national university and that's already enough. Rather than, you know, hoping and wishing for the North Star. Eh, hindi naman. Diba? Kasi ako, kung dito gagawin,
May issue nga ako sa dami sir.
internet connection nga lang ako. O sige,
Exactly.
okay na ako sa offline.
Pero madami
O,
pa rin.
yung offline, specs ng
Ng gadget.
gadget.
Iba yung telephone sa tablet.
Yes.
Kasi kailangan pare-pareho.
Okay.
Pare-pareho kayo ng dimension ng flashcard, pero iba-iba ang tingin kasi yung telephone yung gamit ko, si sir may tablet, ito may laptop.
Ngayon, halimbawa ako, meron akong salamin,
Problema sa
siya
mata.
walang...
Ganda, that's
Ano
true
yun eh.
experiment.
Kung true experiment siya, dapat pare-pareho lahat. Kung lahat kayo,
Mata namin.
pare-pareho.
Yes,
Sinukat niyo
2020
yung
dapat.
vision nyo.
Digital yan.
Diba?
So, if hindi po siya true experiment,
Ano siya?
anong magiging?
Ah, ako ba talaga?
Ano?
Quasi.
Quasi. Oh, quasi.
We're just, I know, we just don't want you to get frustrated at the end of the data collection sa Dino. Ay, ang dami pala namin hindi na consider.
Okay po.
Diba? So, bago nyo isulat na true experiment yan, kami din ang uupo dito after, hahanapin namin lahat yan.
Okay po.
Tapos, pipigain namin na walang naka-apekto dun sa score maliban dun sa card.
Okay.
May time frame din kayo. Kailangan
Kung lahat na nakasalamin, dapat nakasalamin lahat. Sir. kain pa ka lang, isa lang yun. Right? Kasi ano to visual diba? So,
Yes.
para playing field.
Tapos ang concern ko rin yung digital flashcard, kayong gagawa.
Yes.
po.
How will you validate na tama yung ginawa niyo?
So for the validation po, we will use the module or yung
Syllabus
po
po ng cardiovascular. And
Oh,
it
nakaya
will,
pa rin yun. So
Opo.
sino magsasabi,
I-
tama yung ginawa niyo?
ipapacheck po siya sa course leader po ng cardio, ay ng pharmacology po, which is Professor
Si Ma'am Jessica.
Yes po.
Ang first year, meron ng pharmacology.
Wala
po.
So ba't sinama niyo first year?
The rates,
Ayun. For the ano po, hindi po magkaroon po ng bias po sa
Hindi ba bias yung pinili?
Bias
Kasi
sila.
na wala sila.
Kawawa sila.
Ang pharma.
Kawawa sila. Para yung pinarusahan sila kasi hindi nila alam.
Baka ayaw na nila mag-second year.
Susunod ayaw na nila
Ayaw nila mag-nursing.
mag-nursing na.
Yung may cardiopharmacology.
Yung natapos.
so second.
Kasi po,
Oh, sige, go.
pag check mo po yung scores, ibig sabihin po nun, alam na ng students, hindi po natin matetest if nag-help po talaga yung flashcards sa pagiging nila ng knowledge about the topic po. Since they already know a baseline
Assumption
knowledge
nyo yan.
nila.
Yes, assumption nyo yun.
Assumption yun.
Assumption nyo yun. But remember, sorry sir po, remember, first year, ang professional subject lang nila, TFN at FIDA.
Okay po.
May organic chem sila, may
Micropara.
micropara.
Yes,
may
ma'am.
para, correct? Tapos bibigyan nyo sila ng cardiopharma. Kumusta kayo?
Tapos knowledge ang
Oo.
progression.
Hindi na yan mag-second year, labot kayo mamalo. Wala nag-enroll kasi na ganyan kayo. Diba, it can be overwhelming.
Yes.
Oo. At saka psychologically nakikita nila yung mga second year, third year, fourth year, pumapasa sila pagsak.
Or the same is true. Wala pa silang cardiopharma. Pagdating nila ng second year, baka magbago yung mga yan. Sa teacher nila, kasi ma'am, nag-digital flashcard kami. Ito yung nakita namin sa digital flashcard nila. You understand?
Yes.
So, siguro you think about who your respondents will.
Okay po.
Kasi pros and cons ng walang alam at saka may alam na.
Oo,
So,
parang-
look at your literature.
Okay po.
Okay? Sa literature nyo may nabasa ako kung saan siya mas effective.
Okay.
And then ang concern ko din yung digital flashcard. Is it the same digital flashcard, pre, immediate, and post?
Yes.
Yes.
4 weeks around, 4 weeks around.
With 4
Yes.
weeks. Tapos, nagra-randomize ba siya?
Yes,
O
bali yung
same?
flashcard po, meron po siyang parang AI
Halimbawa-
randomization po.
Halimbawa, first flashcard, sinasagutan ko, siya ba second, third flashcard, nag-iiba? Or pareho?
Nagre-randomize po. As you can see, dito po sa first one po, meron po siyang scale on how you, kung gaano po kaalam yung topic, and then you will rate it 1 to 5. 5 being you already know the topic and 1 being not. So, kapag you rated topic po low, it will, yung may computer or AI generation po na yung brainscape is, i-repeat niya po yun sa student na until mag-high rating na po yung topic na yun sila.
So, pilot naman sila.
Magpa-pilot na.
Yes,
Pilot
magpa-pilot.
kayo, ha? Huwag kayong kumuha. Ako, sir, hindi ko alam. Sabihan nyo, anong kayo ng 71? Kasi consider nyo yun kung talagang first year.
Ah.
So, tingnan nyo yun. Ha? Kasi ganitong class ko, hindi ka siya ang 71, di ba?
Yes po.
Tapos ano pa? Yung flashcard. At yung immediate, you have to define what is immediate. Baka ang immediate sa kanya, kaya lagi siyang late kasi 30 minutes. Okay? So you have to define ano yung immediate
Okay po.
sa operational definition.
Was there a literature that says 4 weeks is the standard?
Yes po, it's by Falamban et al. This 2025. They stated po that 4 weeks is long enough for knowledge decay po, but still practical po siya for retention tests.
I mean, particularly for flashcard.
Yes po.
So that means in that particular study, they found out that despite 4 weeks, still
Retain.
Yes.
retention is very high.
Yes, yes.
So that's why you wanted to really test it further.
Yes.
Kasi baka mamaya, you're going to put the participant in a bad light. What's the point? You wanted to protect your participant. Remember, may ethical consideration. Yung bakit mo pakaantayin ng 4 weeks, pwede mo namang i-test
May
after a week.
Pati yung pag, ano tawag dito, sir? Pag-acquire ng consent, ilalagay sa data collection protocol.
Yes po. Okay po.
Kasi gusto ngayon yung consent na digital. So, dapat klaro sa inyo. Na,
Okay po.
Tsaka yun, be open to the fact na may hindi babalik after 4 weeks.
Yes.
Na indicated din po siya dun sa ano exclusion criteria.
So, ano nyo yun, i-consider nyo yun.
In your in your introduction, you add why you chose NU as your respondents.
Okay
And
po.
then add one paragraph relating your topic with a specific SDG.
Okay po.
Yung importance ng topic on that SDG.
Okay po.